Today I'm going to be reviewing YONZEE's 2-in-1 car steering wheel desk and car seat gap filler. I'm going to show you this. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. So this is really easy. This is how it comes in two pieces, just like this. It slides into each other. You take this and you're going to slide it, and then it locks in place. Now this is going to be the flat surface, and you're going to see in the picture when I put it on my car steering wheel, you kind of go at an angle and then it kind of lays flat. Now you got to remember that you must get the size right. If your steering wheel is more than 1.6 inches thick, it's not going to work well. But nice surface, very easy to clean. When you're done, you can take it apart like that and slip this in between the seats. Not only is going to keep junk from getting in there, it's a perfect way to store a phone or anything like that. So you always got it available, and you can have one on each side. And then when you need the table, it just slips in easily to create the table. Like that. It held my Omen 16, which is a fairly heavy laptop, about 3.5, 4 pounds. So it definitely can hold the weight. It won't work for RVs, but it does work for most cars. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.2 stars. It gets 159 reviews on there. And last month, 1,000 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.